Hello everyone and welcome to my channel where we explore the world of design. Today we are going to be discussing the differences between product designers, web designers and UX designers. With the rapidly growing digital landscape, it's important to understand the unique roles and responsibilities of each type of designer. First, let's take a look at the product designer. A product designer is responsible for designing the overall look and feel of a product, from its form to its functionality. Product designers focus on creating a product that not only looks good but also solves a specific problem for the user. They work with a cross-functional team to understand the user's needs and the market trends and use this information to create a product that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Product designers use tools like Sketch, Adobe Illustrator and 3D modeling software to create detailed sketches and prototypes of the product. They also conduct user testing to validate their designs and make any necessary adjustments. In addition to this, product designers need to be able to communicate their designs effectively to the cross-functional team. They need to be able to explain the reasoning behind their design choices and how they've met the user needs and market trends. Web designer. A web designer is responsible for creating the visual design and layout of a website. He focuses on creating a website that is aesthetically pleasing, easy to navigate and visually consistent with the client's brand. Web designers use graphic software like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator to create mockups and prototypes of the website. In addition to visual design, web designers also need to have a good understanding of web development and coding basics. They need to be able to translate their designs into a working website, ensuring that it looks and functions as intended. These kind of designers also need to have a strong understanding of the user experience and accessibility, as this directly affects the user's ability to navigate the website and find the information they're looking for. And finally, UX designer. A UX designer, also known as a user experience designer, is responsible for creating a seamless and intuitive user experience. He mainly focuses on the usability and accessibility of a product, website or application. A UX designer's goal is to make sure the end user has a positive experience with the product. To do this, UX designers conduct research to understand their target audience and their needs. They use this information to create wireframes and prototypes that outline the flow and structure of the product. User experience designers also test their designs with real users to ensure they are meeting the needs and expectations of the target audience. In addition to the design process, UX designers also need to have a strong understanding of human-computer interaction, user psychology, and accessibility standards. They need to be able to create designs that are both visually appealing and easy for the user to navigate. This kind of designers also need to be able to communicate their designs effectively to the cross-functional team and explain the reasoning behind their design choices. While product designers, web designers and UX designers all contribute to the overall design of a product or website, their focus and responsibilities are different. A product designer focuses on creating a product that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, while a web designer focuses on the visual design and layout of a website. A UX designer focuses on creating a positive user experience. Another key difference between these designers is their approach. Product designers start by understanding the market trends and the user needs, while web designers start by creating a visual design, and UX designers always start by first conducting research and testing in order to understand their target audience. It's important to note that these design roles can overlap and a designer may have skills in multiple areas. For example, a product designer may also have skills in web design and UX. However, the main focus and responsibilities of each role are distinct. When it comes to job ads, product designers, web designers and UX designers are often described differently. Product designers are responsible for creating and developing products from concept to launch. They are expected to have a strong understanding of design principles, user research, prototyping and design systems. Job ads for product designers often mention requirements such as a bachelor's degree in design or a related field, experience in product design, and a portfolio showcasing their work. Web designers, on the other hand, focus on the design of the website and web applications. They are responsible for creating visually appealing and user-friendly websites that meet the needs of clients and users. Job ads for web designers typically mention requirements such as a bachelor's degree in design or programming, experience in web design, and proficiency in web design software such as Adobe Creative Suite. UX designers meanwhile focus on creating a positive user experience across digital products and services. They mainly conduct user research, analyze data, and design interfaces and interactions that meet the user's needs and goals. Job ads for UX designers often mention again a bachelor's degree in design or a related field, experience in UX, and of course proficiency in design and prototyping tools such as Sketch, Figma, or InVision. The salaries of product designers, web designers, and UX designers can vary greatly depending on the factors such as location, industry, company size, and experience. In the United States, product designers can earn an average salary ranging from $70,000 up to $140,000 per year, with of course senior product designers and lead designers earning a higher salary. Web designers can earn an average of $50,000 to $90,000 per year in the United States, while UX designers start from $75,000 till $130,000 per year, with those of course with more experience and specialized skills earning higher salaries. It's important to note that salaries can vary greatly based on the specific job and location, and it's always a good idea to research salaries for the specific job titles in your area. Additionally, salaries can also be impacted by the type of company you work for, with startups and smaller companies typically offering lower salaries compared to larger established companies. In terms of career development, these designer roles have unique paths and opportunities for growth. Product designers can advance to senior product design roles, lead design roles, or director of product design positions. They may also choose to specialize in a specific product category such as mobile or software, or take on freelance or consulting work. Web designers can advance to senior or lead web design roles, and they may also choose to specialize in a specific area of design such as e-commerce or responsive design, or pursue again freelancing or consulting. Finally, UX designers may also take on some senior or lead positions, but they can also specialize in a specific area of UX design such as mobile or accessibility. So, which one is right for you? Ultimately, the career path you choose will depend on your personal interests, strengths, and career goals. If you have a passion for creating and developing products and enjoy the process of taking an idea from concept to reality, then product design may be the right fit for you. On the other hand, if you think that creating visually stunning and user-friendly websites sounds more awesome, then web design is for you. And last but not least, if you love creating seamless and intuitive user experiences, enjoy the process of conducting user research, talking with people and analyzing data, then go with UX design. In conclusion, product designers, web designers and UX designers play an important role in creating products and websites that meet the needs of their target audience. Each role brings in unique skills and perspectives to the design process, and their collaboration results in a well-designed product that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. It's important to understand the differences between these design roles and the responsibilities of each one so that you can choose the right type of designer for your project. Whether you're looking to create a new product, revamp your website, or improve the user experience of your digital product, each type of designer brings something valuable to the table. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more design related content. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video.